cute smile. R is for robin and S is for snake. T is for tortoise, we're almost at the chorus. U for now knows as the two-toed sloth. V is for vulture and for W, the whale, and X, I don't have a clue. Y for yak, Z for zebra too. This is the alphabet of animals. You might